best 600cc motorcycle for beginners. Suzuki GSX R. The world of motorcycling is an exhilarating realm filled with adventure, freedom, and the excitement of the open road. For beginners with a passion for sport bikes, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision that can profoundly shape their riding journey. The Suzuki GSX R series, celebrated for its remarkable performance, accessible power, and rider-friendly features, emerges as the top choice among 600cc sport bikes for novice riders. With its potent power, precise handling, and rider-focused attributes, the GSX R series provides the perfect platform for beginners to initiate their journey of skill development, high-speed thrills, and sport bike enthusiasm without feeling overwhelmed. Impressive power and sport bike excellence. At the heart of the Suzuki GSX R series roars a potent 599cc inline-4 engine. This power plant delivers an exhilarating surge of power and torque, making it a formidable contender on both the street and the track. Race-inspired design and aerodynamic mastery. The GSX R series boasts a race-inspired design with sleek fairings, sharp lines, and a distinctive look that exudes performance. Its aerodynamic design enhances not only aesthetics but also stability and performance at high speeds, making it a true sport bike. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Rider comfort is a priority in the GSX R's design. It offers a balanced riding position that combines sportiness with ergonomic comfort, ensuring a pleasant experience during spirited rides and extended journeys. The well-padded seat, adjustable foot pegs, and rider-friendly ergonomics enhance overall comfort. Precise handling and nimble control. Despite its potent power, the Suzuki GSX R series exhibits precise handling and nimble control. Its lightweight chassis, responsive suspension, and agile characteristics make it easy for novice riders to confidently maneuver the bike, whether they're navigating corners or cruising city streets. Safety features and learning confidence. Advanced safety features such as ABS, traction control, and rider modes are often included in the GSX R's package. These features enhance safety and provide novice riders with the confidence they need as they advance their riding skills. Versatility in riding scenarios. While the GSX R series is known for high-performance capabilities, it's versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Novice riders can use it for spirited weekend rides, daily commuting, and even occasional track days, making it an adaptable sport bike. Community and rider connection. Suzuki enthusiasts and sport bike riders form a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Becoming part of this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport bike excitement in the GSX R's capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Suzuki GSX R series encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of high-speed sport bike riding. Cost-effective thrills. The GSX R series offers an excellent balance between price and high-performance excitement. While it delivers heart-pounding performance, it remains competitive among 600cc sport bikes, making it an appealing option for beginners who seek top-tier performance without breaking the bank. Customization options and personalization. The GSX R series offers various aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to personalize their motorcycles to their unique preferences. Whether it's adding performance enhancements, sporty graphics, or other accessories, the GSX R series can be tailored to reflect the rider's style. Conclusion. The Suzuki GSX R series embodies the spirit of sport bike excitement and Suzuki's commitment to providing the ultimate 600cc sport bike for novice enthusiasts. With its potent power, race-inspired design, and dedication to rider performance and safety, the GSX R series offers an immersive gateway to the world of high-speed motorcycling without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Suzuki GSX R as their first sport bike, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sport bike thrills, speed, and the joy of pushing limits on two wheels. The GSX R series is not just a motorcycle, it's the key to unlocking a world of exhilaration and unforgettable experiences on the road and the track.